Hello everyone. This video is the answer to our previous video that ended with the big question: will AI replace accountant jobs? Well, the likelihood of AI in every field is increasing day by day, and the commerce and finance sector is no different. The question of replacing humans with AI is still in question here also. But one may say it depends on various factors. Let's have a detailed exploration of these factors with a thorough analysis of their present and the future. The first factor we can consider is the automation of routine tasks. Now, AI is highly effective at automating routine and repetitive tasks such as data entry and transaction processing. This helps in reducing the time spent on hectic activities, allowing accountants to focus more on value-added tasks. In the future, the automation of these tasks is likely to continue but won't eliminate the need for accountants. Instead, it may redefine their roles with added responsibilities like strategic and advisory functions. The second factor we can check out is enhanced decision making. Currently, AI tools help accountants by providing real-time decisions by analyzing the vast data that is available to them. These tools enhance the accuracy and efficiency of decision making in finance. But in the future, as the data says, accountants will highly rely on AI for data-driven decision making. And the efficiency of AI's interpretation and understanding of the context and business will improve and remain critical. Accountants can make use of this advantage and work hand in hand with one another without replacing human workers. The next factor we can use is the risk management and compliance. AI systems have already showcased their efficiency in fraud detection and ensuring compliance through monitoring transactions. While these systems can identify unusual activities and potential risks more efficiently than manual methods, human accountants will still be needed to handle exceptions, make judgment calls, and take care of the ethical side. Then comes the fourth factor: advisory and strategic roles. Accountants are increasingly taking on advisory roles, providing strategic insights and financial planning services to businesses. They use AI support for deep analytical capabilities, but they cannot be replaced with AI because of their ability to understand business nuances, communication effectiveness, and tailored advice. Ethical and judgmental aspects come as the last factor under consideration. Ethics and professionalism are the basis of accounting. AI cannot take on complex ethical considerations and decisions. Human supervision will remain essential in accounting to ensure that ethical standards are met. So what we have at the end of a deep analysis is that AI will significantly transform the accounting realm by automating routine tasks, enhancing data analysis, and thereby decision-making processes. However, there is no possibility of replacing accountants completely. Instead, AI will redefine their roles by adding more responsibility for strategic decision-making, advisory, and analytical functions. That's why commerce professional courses like CA, CMA, and ACCA will become extremely important. Learn these courses from the best institute of the Indian Institute of Commerce, Lakshya. Start your journey towards becoming a commerce professional today. All those accountants who adapt to these changes by embracing technology and developing new skills will find their roles evolving rather than disappearing. So a hand-in-hand approach with AI is the best way to flourish in today's competitive world. To learn more about Commerce World, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.